Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Wolfcraft MG310 compact caulking gun. The space-saving compact gun here, lightweight and compact. It fits into even the smallest toolbox. Practical quick change holder for 310ml cartridges. For example, adhesive, silicone and acrylic. Automatic drip stop function prevent oothing. The ultra compact and ready to use in no time. This was the development brief for the MG310 compact, which is ideal for applying silicone, acrylic and adhesive, thanks to a pushing pressure of 160 kg. Its space-saving design means it can fit into the smallest drawer or toolbox. The quick change holder lets us lock the cartridge into place in a flash with just only one click. The cartridge can still be rotated, allowing us to flexibly adapt the working angle. When grouting or gluing, the automatic drip stop function prevents underside oothing of the material when the gun is set down, for cleaner results every time the gun is used. It's really very suitable for acrylic, silicone and adhesive. We have a quick change holder for fast inserting and changing of the 310ml cartridge, 160 kg of pushing pressure for applying silicone, acrylic and adhesives, 360 degrees rotation grip, sleeve permits rotation into the best working angle, and ergonomic 2-component handle for fatigue-free working. Automatic grip stop function prevents undesired using of the material for cleaner results. The dimensions of it are 351, 288 to 176 mm. The discharge pressure is 160 kg. It's for 310ml cartridge system, 52 222 mm. This is the tool area, and it works really compact and nice, and you can use it where you like. For bulk use, the caulk is generally distributed in disposal cartridges, which are rigid cylindrical cardboard of plastic tubes with an applicator tip at one end and a movable plunger at the far end. They are used in caulking guns, like here, which is typically have a trigger connected to a rod which pushes the plunger and has a ratchet to prevent backflash. The push rod may also be actuated by a motor or by compressed air. That is not possible with this Wolfcraft tool here, but on the market are still these devices, but this is for professionals only. Similar mechanisms are used for grease guns. For smaller applications, the caulk may be distributed in squeeze tubes. So you can see this Wolfcraft gun here, this MG310 compact caulking gun makes a really good job for the price range, of course. It's lightweight and compact, it fits into even the smallest toolbox, and it's practical quick change holder for 310ml cartridges. These are the standard cartridges system out there. Adhesive, silicone and acrylic too. And we have a drip stop function. This prevents of oozing. It will not stop everything, of course, I have to say, but it is okay. It's not so much like a cheaper gun like this. This is the MG310 compact caulking gun. This is the space-saving compact gun by Wolfcraft. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.